Here we got a 1950 Chevy Bel Air with a modern motor in it, convertible, which is great. But that's an aftermarket motor, obviously. You look at the interior in this thing. You know, I'm not sure how the original interior was. I don't think it would have been vinyl, but I think it's basically how it was. Not the steering column, of course, though. He's got a new type of gauge that looks like the old style, but it's old digital and stuff. And it's nice with I never saw, maroon with a gray top is a nice color combination. Never thought of having a gray top on there. So, great. 1950 Bel Air convertible, Chevy Bel Air convertible. And look at the wheels. It's got a nice stance on it too. Look at that. It's amazing how you can take an older car and just make it better than new cars today. It's a nice car, man.